Level 1, 8 count run. I'm Elizabeth.
I'm Mikey D.
And we worked on swing outs and low downs tonight.
So we actually split you all up and we did a couple exercises. So I'm going to do mine this way. We really want to think about keeping that momentum going the direction we want the follower to go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn 5, back 6. Triple step. Really use that on that 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn 5, 6. Triple step. We just did that over and over and over again.
And followers, we talked about staying on the line. So I'm going to do it this way so you can see the line. And thinking about on our first 2 steps, doing them in place unless your lead either asks you for a rock step or asks you to come forward. So step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Staying on that same line.
And then we had fun with low downs. So we face each other. Leader's going to start on the right. Follower's going to start on your left. And we're just going to go side to side. We go and side. And slowly. And quick, and quick, and quick. Stomp off a rock step. And that's where we need that rock step for the next swing out. We did that within a phrase. Swing out, swing out, swing out. Low downs. We're going to do it all over here. Let's just do it like the last one. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, triple step. 2, 3, 5, jump off the rock step. You're swing out here. We talked a little bit about leading into the low downs. Leaders, we're not going to pull all the way back here. We're going to kind of collect ourselves here. Make sure that our weight, leaders, is on your right foot on 8. It's really going to help us to move into that very first low down and make it nice and clear for the follower.